Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's December 23rd, and it's very near the opening time here at Ski Whitetail in Pennsylvania. It's in a town called Mercersburg, which is very close to the Pennsylvania line. It's actually in Pennsylvania-Maryland line, and conditions look pretty good here today. You can see they're blowing snow still. It's about 17 degrees Fahrenheit out. Wow, that was a great day of skiing for me over here at Whitetail on December 23rd, 2024. Snow conditions are pretty good here on their third day of opening. Over on some of the more advanced runs over here, the snow is not really as I like it, where it's more groomed and more well maintained. It was like a loose powder. There were pillows of about maybe, I don't know, 6 or 12 inches in depth at certain spots, which I don't like as much. But I'll tell you what, over here on these other two intermediate slopes here, the snow is excellent, as it is over here on some of the beginner slopes too. So we really had a good time over here at Ski Whitetail today. And I want to thank everybody for watching today, and see you in the next one.